A subscription to Autodesk Fusion 360 with Powershape includes many benefits, giving you access to a range of Autodesk technology including Powershape Ultimate, Fusion 360, Fusion Team, and HSM Works. Powershape is computer-aided design software with surface, solid, and mesh modeling tools designed for complex parts, electrode design, and modeling for manufacture. Fusion 360 is a cloud-based computer-aided design, engineering, and manufacturing platform for collaborative product development that combines industrial design, mechanical engineering, and machine tool programming into one software solution. Fusion Team provides a central workspace in the cloud for all Fusion 360 project design information, allowing data to be managed and shared, and with the ability to review, comment, and mark up, as well as view 2D and 3D designs within a browser on any device. And HSM Works, which is an integrated 2.5 to 5 axis CAM programming solution for SolidWorks. With all of this in one subscription, Autodesk Fusion 360 with Powershape provides you with a complementary technology solution to meet your design and manufacturing needs.